Wake up! Wake up! Today is the big day!
Liam? What time is it?
It's the day! We go to the big match!
Liam, it's 6 in the morning.
I know. I am too excited to sleep.
Okay. Let's get ready, champ.
Today, we see the World Cup.
Yes, our green team plays today.
Dad, what is a stadium?
A stadium is a very large place where many people watch the game.
How many people?
Thousands and thousands.
Shirts, flag, hats, snacks, and the tickets.
What are tickets?
Small cards that allow us to enter the stadium.
Like a key to the game? Exactly. We are a green team family. Bye, house. See you later. Wow. So many people. Are they going to the game too?
Yes! Look at their flags.
I see the city. It is so big. What does kickoff mean, Dad?
Kickoff is the start of the game, the first kick.
Kickoff! I can't wait! Wow. The stadium is so big.
Listen! Everyone is singing.
Green and blue everywhere.
Green is our team. Blue is the other team. Let's go! Let's find our seats! Wait. Where are the tickets?
What? You were with them.
They aren't in my pocket.
Oh no. No tickets? No game?
Don't worry. Let's think. Where were they last seen?
Will we find the tickets in time?
Oh no, the tickets are gone. Will the family find them in time? Find out in the next episode.